who is the most merciful and the beneficent of all. Honorable guests, respected teachers, and your dear friends, Assalamu alaikum. And a very happy Independence Day. Today, we celebrate one of the most glorious days in our history. 14th of August, the day when Pakistan emerged as an independent nation after years of struggle, sacrifices, and unwavering determination. We proudly remember the brave men and women who gave their everything so that we could live in a free homeland. By the Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah gave us timeless message: unity, faith, and discipline. Dear brothers, these three principles are not just words; they are the pillars of a successful nation. Unity teaches us to stand together despite differences. Whatever we belong to, Punjab, Sindh, Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, Balochistan, Gilgit-Baltistan, and Azad Kashmir. We are all Pakistanis first. A united nation is an unbreachable nation. Faith gives us confidence in Allah Almighty, in ourselves, and in the bright future of our country. It inspires us to face every challenge with courage and hope. Discipline is the key to success. A disciplined student becomes a responsible citizen, and a responsible citizen builds a strong nation. At this point, I would like to share a beautiful couplet. खुदा ने आज तक उस कौम की हालत नहीं बदली। जनाबे वाला, खुदा ने आज तक उस कौम की हालत नहीं बदली। न हो जिसको ख्याल आप अपनी हालत के बदलने का। Dear brothers, the future of Pakistan is in our hands. We do not need to wait until we grow up to serve our country. We can begin today by studying with dedication, respecting our parents and teachers, protecting public property, showing kindness and honesty in our daily lives. Allama Iqbal beautifully said, "अफराद के हाथों में है अक़वाम की तकदीर। अफराद के हाथों में है अक़वाम की तकदीर। हर फर्द है मिल्लत के मुक़द्दर का सितारा।" Dear brothers, these powerful words remind us that every citizen has an important role in shaping the destiny of the nation. As we celebrate the Independence Day, let us remember that freedom is not just a blessing, but also a responsibility. Let us promise we will work hard, dream big, and always keep Pakistan above our personal interests. May Allah protect our beloved country. Pakistan! Thank you very much.